Hello everyone, this is Dr. Riaz, and in this lecture I am going to explain how to write a thesis statement. The thesis statement is the part of your dissertation, your research article and your thesis. So thesis statement is very important. I will also explain how to generate the thesis statement. So, first of all, how to write a thesis statement. What is a thesis statement? The thesis statement is one or two sentence summary of purpose of your dissertation. In general, it is answer to the question that you will explore and explain in your dissertation or research article, your research paper. So basically, the thesis statement is one or two sentences which explain in your dissertation and which respond to the answer of your question. Now, one question come in your mind: why do you need a thesis statement? The thesis statement need is to test your ideas by identifying the essential point. Thesis statement is need to better organize and develop your dissertation, a research article, and your research paper. Thesis statement provide your reader with a guide to your dissertation, your research article, or your essay. Now, mostly students ask me how to generate a thesis statement if the topic is assigned. So in this case, turn the thesis into a specific question. For example, this is your statement. Write a report to the local school board explaining the potential benefit of using computer in a 9th grade class. So this is a statement that has been given to you to answer a specific question. No, I will turn this statement into question. So, for turning to the request in this question is like this: what are the potential benefits of using computer in a 9th grade class? So, first we use the pronoun of what, so, and then the sign of interrogate, and this statement will become the question like this. After you have chosen the question, your dissertation or your article, you will compose one or two complete sentence answering the question like this. The potential benefit of using computer in a 9th grade class are here. You explain one benefit, two benefit, three benefit, and so many benefit. You can also write this statement like: using a computer in a 9th grade class promise to improve your computer skill, your science and technological knowledge. So you can explain so many points here. So these are the examples of the thesis statement and how to convert the thesis statement into question. To answer the question is the thesis statement for dissertation or research article. Now, how to generate a thesis statement if the topic is not assigned? First, the assigned topic and then not assigned topic. Even if your assignment does not ask a specific question, your thesis statement still need to answer a question about the issue you would like to explore. In this situation, your job is to figure out what question you would like to write about. So brainstorm the topic. Let us say that your class focus upon the problem you caused by eating habit of Pakistani. You are interested in the amount of sugar Pakistani consume. So this is the brainstorming topic. You start out with this statement like this: sugar consumption. So this is the statement. So this is not the thesis statement. Instead, it simply indicates a general subject. So sugar consumption is subject. Plus, your reader doesn't know what you want to say about sugar consumption. So how to convert this topic, general topic, into the thesis statement? So first you have to narrow the topic. Your reading about the topic, however, have led to your conclusion that elementary school children are consuming far more sugar than is healthy. You change this statement look like this: reducing sugar consumption by primary school children. So first your topic is sugar consumption. No, you have narrowed the topic: reducing sugar consumption by primary school children. This fragment incomplete statement not only tell your subject, but it also focus on many segments of the population. So here the population is elementary school children. Your population may be high school children, your population may be the public, so you can take the specific population. It also is subject upon which reasonable people could disagree, because while most people might agree that children consume more sugar than they used to, not everyone would agree on what should be done or who should do it. Now, next point is take a position on the topic. So how can you take a position on the topic? After reflecting the topic a little while longer, you decide that what you really want to say about this topic is that something should be done to reduce the amount of sugar these children. You write the statement like this: more attention should be paid to the food and beverage choice available to primary school children. So here the thesis statement comes like this. So mostly, as you know, in all beverage and food there is a found to sugar. So how can we pay attention to reduce the sugar to the beverage? I mean, like the different type of the soda and food that has a lot of sugar. So no, take the position in the topic. This statement asserts your position, but the term more attention and food beverage choice are vague. Next, use specific language. You decide to explain what mean about food and beverage choice. So you write like this: experts estimate that half of elementary school children consume 9 times the recommended daily allowance of the sugar. So they eat more time. No, here you have the argument with the evidence, and evidence here is the expert. So here you use a specific language. This statement is specific. Why it is specific? Because it is not it is merely report a statistic instead of making an assertion. So it's only data. Make an assertion based on clearly stated sport. You finally revise this statement like this: because half of the Our Pakistani primary school children consume 9 times the recommended daily allowance of sugar should be required to replace the beverage in soda machine with healthy alternate. So first, no, you are going to reach the conclusion. So conclusion is that you will use the soda in alternate healthy atom to reduce the amount of sugar. Notice that these answer the question. What should be done to reduce sugar consumption by children and who should eat? When you start thinking about the paper, you might not have a specific question in mind. But as you become more involved in the topic, your ideas become more specific. Your thesis change to reflect your insight. Next up, how to tell a strong thesis statement from a weak. So what is the difference between the strong thesis statement and weak statement? A strong thesis statement takes some sort of stand. So here, what stand is very important. Remember that your thesis need to show your conclusion about subject. For example, if you are writing a paper for class on fitness, you might need to ask to choose a popular weight loss product to evaluate. Here are two thesis statements. Here are some negative and positive aspects to the banana herb tea. So, positive and negative. This is a weak thesis statement. Why it's weak? First, it failed to take a stand. What's the stand? Second, the phrase negative and positive aspect in weak. It's a positive, it is negative, there is no data. How can we make it stand? Because banana herb tea supplement promote rapid weight loss so that result in the loss of the muscle and lean body mass. It poses a potential danger to the customer. So it is the statement. This is strong thesis statement because it takes a stand and because it is specific. So from these two types of statement, we reach the conclusion. And what the conclusion? The conclusion is that the strong statement has a stand and the weak statement has no stand. So in making a strong statement, there is a need to take a stand. This is strong statement because it takes a stand and because it is specific. A strong thesis statement justifies discussion. Your thesis should be indicate the point of discussion. If your assignment is to write paper on family structure, using your own family as example, you might come up with either of these two statements. My family is extended family. So extended family is in which mostly children, parent and great parent are involved. This is a big statement because merely state on observation, your reader would not be able to tell the point of statement. So you will probably stop reading. Next, while most families would view arranged marriage as a threat to individual freedom, many traditional families, like my own, believe that these marriages are necessary to create and maintain strong family ties. So in extended family, we have to maintain why there is a strong to maintain a strong family tie in your family. So it is this statement. This is strong this statement because it shows your experience contradict a widely accepted view. A good strategy for creating a strong thesis is to show that topic is controversial. Reader will interested in reading. Strong thesis statement express on main idea. Reader need to able to see there your statement paper as one to main point. If your thesis statement expresses more than one idea, then you might confuse your reader about the subject of your paper. For example, company need to exploit the marketing potential of internet and web page. You can provide both advertising and customer support. This is a weak statement And how can we make it strong? Because the internet is filled with a tremendous marketing potential. Companies should exploit this potential by using web pages that offer both advertising and customer support. So it is a strong statement. Next, a strong statement is specific. So a thesis statement should show exactly what your paper will be about and will help you keep your paper a manageable topic. For example, if you are writing a 7 to 10 paper on hunger, you might say, word hunger has many causes and effects. Hunger persists to linear because scale and farming in fertile soil is really productive. So here you have to give a specific example as a evidence. So this is a big statement. So strong statement as a evidence. So this is the explanation about the thesis statement. I hope that after listening this lecture and making your note, you will be able to write a strong thesis statement in your essay, your research article, your paper, your dissertation, and your thesis. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.